Filing a proof of claim is the most fundamental and time-sensitive action a creditor can take in a bankruptcy case. Get it right and you participate in distributions. Miss the deadline or file incorrectly, and you may receive nothing, even if assets are available for distribution. Here is the complete guide to proof of claim filing in bankruptcy. What is a proof of claim? A proof of claim is an official court filing that asserts your right to receive payment from the bankruptcy estate. It identifies who you are, the amount you're owed, the basis for the debt, and any security interest you hold. The official form is Official Form 410, available on the U.S. Court's website. Many larger bankruptcy courts also allow electronic filing through their CM/ECF systems. The bar date is the deadline for filing proofs of claim. In Chapter 7 cases, the bar date is typically 70 days after the petition date for most creditors. In Chapter 11 cases, the bar date is set by a specific court order. Watch for the bar date notice. In Chapter 13 cases, the bar date is 70 days after the order for relief for most creditors. What happens if you miss the bar date? In most cases, a late-filed proof of claim is disallowed unless you can show excusable neglect for the delay. I didn't know about the bankruptcy is sometimes accepted if you didn't receive proper notice, but this requires filing a motion and potentially contested proceedings. Don't rely on excusable neglect as a safety net. File before the deadline. What must the proof of claim include? The name and address of the creditor, the amount of the claim as of the petition date, the basis for the claim, the contract, note, judgment, or other instrument that creates the debt, and the nature of any security interest, including attaching documentation of that security interest. For secured claims, attach documentation of the security agreement or lien, the mortgage, deed of trust, UCC financing statement, or other instrument that creates the security interest. Describe the collateral and estimate its value. For unsecured priority claims, domestic support, certain taxes, certain wages, identify the specific priority category that applies. Post-petition interest. Secured creditors are entitled to post-petition interest to the extent of the value of their collateral. General unsecured creditors are not entitled to post-petition interest unless the estate is solvent. People Locator, skip tracing assists creditors in identifying and maximizing claims in bankruptcy proceedings. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order.